I am Eli from SGIL-SOLAR Light and Energy. This box I'm holding in my hands can make a whole community to smile. You care to know? Just watch.
Let me clap for your company. I clap for your company.
It is lovely. Now, let me let you know that we have about 15 community markets. We have 15 communities across Nigeria now that are highly waiting for this product, and they are ready with their money. We have structured out the repayment plan for them to put up and be able to pay, and is highly pocket friendly. So that is what we are doing, and that is where we are going. We want to make sure that everywhere, every place, every student, every market, they have access to affordable and clean energy.